Hi and welcome to another Fit for Purpose product presentation. In this segment we'll be talking about SlimFIT drawers. This is the SlimFIT drawer range, a slimline drawer at a very reasonable price point. SlimFIT drawer sides are just 13mm wide. Why does that matter? Well, you get more storage space inside the drawer if the sides are slim. SlimFIT drawers have a high quality white paint finish and are suitable for use throughout the home, kitchen, bathroom, wardrobe, home office, etc. SlimFIT drawers have a quiet and smooth soft close operation with excellent stability. Now, stability means the drawer doesn't rack or twist when you pull it out and push it back in again. SlimFIT drawers have a good load capacity for domestic use, 35 kg or 50 kg depending on the model. And that's higher than most in its price point. Why is this important? Well, it's a major factor in longevity or durability. Obviously, you want your drawers to last for a decent length of time, right? In terms of sizing, SlimFIT drawers are available in three side heights: 88, 171, and 203mm high. And there are 6 runner length options: 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, and 550mm. If you're looking for inner drawers, that's a drawer inside a drawer that is common in modern kitchens, there are kits available to convert SlimFIT drawers into inner drawers. Now here's a great point that not many people consider. Most drawers have access to adjustment points on the outside of the drawer, which makes it tricky if your drawer bank is up against a wall or a cabinet, for example. SlimFIT drawer adjustment is on the inside of the drawer. Now a couple of extra points for the kitchen and cabinet makers out there. SlimFIT drawer kits contain runners, side panels, front fixing brackets, rear brackets, and cover caps for use with your own drawer fronts, backs, and bases. SlimFIT drawer kits are available with screw-on and expansion bracket fixings. And the whole package for a drawer kit comes in one box, so there's no mucking about matching up parts.